Hey man, you good? Yeah, I'm just asking if you're okay. I'm just checking on you. I'm Officer Carter with the Newton Police Department.
Alright.
I'm just making sure you're okay.
Yep.
What's that?
What?
Is that a camera?
Yeah, you got a body cam?
Yeah, I sure do.
Okay, is it on?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Alright.
I'm just making sure you're okay. Is everything okay?
I have no complaints.
Okay, alright. Well, you're at a local business, and I was wondering if you can go ahead and get moving and maybe park somewhere else and take a nap.
Oh, were you called?
Nope, I just drove by and happened to see your vehicle.
Oh, okay.
Are you passing through?
I was gonna eat. I wanted to get some food.
Okay, I'll get food here.
Well, yeah, I want to pick up some food.
Okay, well, IGA don't open until like 8 or 9 a.m.
Yeah, that's fine.
Is this your vehicle?
Yep.
Okay. Just making sure. Now, I don't think... Are you living in your vehicle, or are you just traveling, or... Okay, I'm just making sure. I'm not so sure you can sleep here. Let me double check with my partner, okay?
Alright.
Just give me a second. He's not allowed to sleep here, right?
Yeah, I don't think there's any problem with that.
Okay, so it's fine, he can?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, well, hey, I was just making sure you're okay, making sure everything's okay, so my partner said it's fine that you stay here and wait until the business opens to get you some food, okay?
Yeah, okay.
All right, well, have a good one then, okay? All right.
Covert off.
Dispatching 6.
Go ahead.
Can you run that male subject and make sure he's clear?
Do you have a date of birth? I don't have a way to sound X for Washington.
Negative. I'm not. Negative, it's fine. I'll be tonight.
Stop recording.